Honestly, I was nervous a while ago talaga, but super excited then to be able to be part of the 14 lineup lang. I was super blessed na kasi syempre coming from an injury, iba din yung feeling na nakasama sa lineup. So, sobrang talaga yung kabaho, but sabi nga ni Coach, it's a total team effort. So, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel na may dala-dala ka, but you just have to perform and bring yourself there, carry yourself there, and just help me. To be honest, it wasn't easy. It's hot and cold. May mga days na okay, may mga days na hindi talaga. But I think that's part of the process talaga. And mas dun tumitibay yung loob, yung katawan, tsaka dun talaga nire-reinvent ko din yung sarili ko, ay nahanap ko kung sino ako. So I guess I saw volleyball in a different perspective. That's why I'm glad to be back and I'm glad enjoying the sports as well. And grabe yung tiwala talaga ng coaches. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank the coaching staff, sina Coach Sherwin, Coach Moore, Coach Carlo, Coach Bok also, sina Coach E, si Coach PD, mga PTs namin, si PT Jason, PT Harry also. So sila yung nag-aalaga na sa amin. Thank you, ang dami. Pero yes, it takes a village.
Sobrang happy lang kasi, alam mo yan, may mga, alam mo yan, may mga secret kami din. May mga pinag-uusapan kami behind the doors and syempre, yun, lahat naman ng mga pinag-uusapan namin, dadaan lang yun. And ngayon na nakikita ko siya na happy na nakapaglaro, na actually sobrang laki ng, alam mo yan, yung dati siya, unti na lang, nandun na po siya ulit. So, nakakatuwa na and hindi siya, partida, para patagdag na rin ang age niya. Pero ang laro niya, alam mo yun, pabalik na naman po siya dun sa peak niya. So, hindi naman po ako magugulat na ipapakita talaga ni Ate Le yung ganong klaseng laro. Kasi ganon naman po yung tine-training niya. And ganon naman po talaga siya as a player po. So, huwag na tayong magulat. And ayun nga, siguro malaking bagay po yung tiwala na binibigay ng coaches sa amin. Kasi hindi po sa kanila, lalo kay Ate Lai na yun niya kakabalik lang, tapos hindi rin siya, alam mo, hindi rin siya nakakalaro agad. So, may hirap yung parang mag-warm up ka pa and ayun, yun nga, siya yung parang pag pinasok mo naman, talaga magpe-perform po.
Coming in this conference, our motivation talaga would be to actually enjoy volleyball again. One of the things na we've been doing talaga, we've been fighting, we've been training hard, but I think at the end of the day, if we enjoy it more than ever, mas iba yung mabibigay niyang saya and mga panalo and mga games sa amin. And aside from that, sabi nga namin this conference, and grabe yung sistema talaga ni Coach Sherwin, kahit sino ipasok, kahit anong mangyari, and yung tiwala and respeto ng mga bawat isa. So, yun din yung isang motivation namin, yung respect na binibigay namin sa isa't isa andon, and kaya we-work them together as a team yung sistema ni Coach. And definitely, we need to polish the system ni Coach and hopefully, mabigyan namin ng justice yung sistema para one game at a time talaga. Medyo mahaba yung conference, but we don't want to be complacent also, but we take one game at a time seriously also.